All right, Sean here with Clearly Windows. We're doing some more video and working at a project where we've got some pressure washing going on. I'm going to get some video of that. Leo's over here hard at work, and I'll flip the camera around and we'll show you some of his fine detail work. He's working on sidewalks right now, and so we'll get a little bit of video of that. And man, this stuff is cleaning up really nice. So here we go. All right, this is what it looks like before it gets cleaned. And I'm just gonna do a quick walkout. And you can see Leo over here working. He's got his rain gear on. He's got his safety glasses on. He's got his headphones in so he doesn't protects his hearing. But you can see there's a lot of stuff here. And then I'm going to go on the back side of him where he's already been, and I'll show you a little bit of video on that. And I just walked around to the back side of him, and look at how nice this cleans up. No more slip hazards, and gets between the cracks here. Oh, looks awesome. These guys are going to be super happy with this. All right, a little bit more video here of pressure washing. You can see that these sidewalks in other areas are pretty dirty. I've got AJ working here, getting these sidewalks taken care of. And you can see the difference. You can see the difference. And then we get back into areas that have not been cleaned yet. Okay, we've got some pressure washing. We're getting it done. I just wanted to show a video, some progress, and how much difference it makes when you pressure wash those surfaces that are oftentimes slippery and can be dangerous for a slip or a trip or something like that. So it's always a good idea to clean those flat walking surfaces, sidewalks and deck boards and stuff like that. So if you're in the need of pressure washing services, Clearly Windows would love to help you out. Give us a call. Our number, area code 253-952-6444. We'll see you on the next video.